Good afternoon, students. Welcome to the class on solutions. We were discussing vapor pressure, composition, and boiling point composition curves for completely miscible solutions. Again, solutions were classified into three types based on the vapor pressure composition curve. In type 1 solution, the vapor pressure changes continuously with the composition of the mixture. Now we will see how the vapor pressure changes continuously. Again, we will take vapor pressure on y-axis, composition or mole fraction on x-axis. Here we have pure A, here we have pure B. Now the vapor pressure of pure A is very high compared to the vapor pressure of pure B. The vapor pressure composition curve must be like this. Here temperature is always constant. We don't study the effect of temperature. Okay, temperature is always constant. Now the top layer is richer in liquid and the bottom layer is for vapor. This is vapor pressure composition curve. Now we will look at boiling temperature or boiling point composition curve. Boiling point composition curve. Here we have pure A, here we have pure B. Now the vapor pressure of pure A is very high. So a very small temperature is enough to make it boil. So this is the boiling point for compound A. Similarly, compound B, which has low vapor pressure, it requires high temperatures to make it boil. So it will have high boiling point. Please understand the differences. A compound with a high vapor pressure is called as a volatile liquid. That means it will easily boil at low temperatures. A compound with a low vapor pressure needs very high temperatures to boil. So vapor pressure composition curve is exactly opposite to the boiling point composition curve. Here vapor curve is above and liquid curve will be below. These are the type 1 solutions. These are the type 1 solutions. Just look at the notes. Since the vapor pressure of pure B is lower than that of pure A, the boiling point of pure B is higher than that of pure A. So a compound with low vapor pressure will have high boiling point, and a compound with high low vapor pressure, high vapor pressure will have low boiling point. So it is vice versa. If the vapor pressure is low, boiling point is high. If vapor pressure is high, boiling point is low. Another point to note is, at a given temperature, the vapor state is richer with the more volatile component A than the vapor component A than that of the liquid phase. Therefore, the vapor composition curve will lie above the liquid composition curve in a boiling temperature composition curve. It means that in this graph, see, in vapor pressure composition graph, the quantity of liquid is high and the quantity of vapor is low. So that is why liquid composition graph will be upper and vapor composition graph will be lower. But in the boiling point composition curve, here we are supplying heat energy. So the system is richer in vapor than the liquid. More amount of liquid is in vapor state than in the liquid phase. So here the vapor composition curve will be upper than the liquid composition curve in a boiling point composition curve. So the curve represents, in a vapor pressure composition curve, liquid is in large quantity, vapor is in small quantity. Whereas in a boiling point composition curve, vapor is in large quantity, liquid is in lower quantity. So that is the meaning in these curves. Please take the notes. What, what are type 2 solutions? Type 2 solutions have maximum vapor pressure in its vapor composition curve. Type 2 solutions have maximum vapor pressure in its vapor pressure composition curve. So on y-axis we will take vapor pressure, on x-axis we will take composition. This is pure A, this side we represent pure B. For example, this is the vapor pressure of A and this is the vapor pressure of B. Vapor pressure of A and vapor pressure of B. Then the liquid curve will show like this and the vapor curve will show like this. This is the liquid curve. As we know, in a vapor pressure composition curve, liquid curve will be upper one, vapor curve will be lower one. And another point to note is here temperature is constant. Temperature is constant. Now, because these two liquids have higher maximum in the vapor pressure at point C, this is the point C. Here vapor pressure is maximum. Vapor pressure is maximum. Now, how their boiling point boiling point composition curves look like? It is exactly opposite to the vapor pressure composition curve, right? Here we have pure A, this side we represent pure B. And another point is here P is constant. You please write this for the previous graph also. In a boiling point composition curve, pressure is constant. You write this for the previous graph also. Now, since A is having low vapor pressure, its boiling point is very high. Since B is having high vapor pressure, its boiling point is low. Now, the boiling point vapor pressure composition will be represented in a reverse fashion. Because the boiling point vapor pressure composition having a maximum at point C, the vapor pressure composition is having a maximum vapor pressure at point C. The boiling point composition curve will have a minimum at point C. This is minimum boiling point. Here the mixture, both the mixture of A and B will have a maximum vapor pressure. So that is why the mixture will boil at a lower temperature. The mixture will boil at a lower temperature. So it will have a minimum boiling point. What are type 2 solutions? When we mix A and B, they will show a maximum units vapor pressure. Here, this is the vapor pressure of A, this is the vapor pressure of B. But look at the vapor pressure of this mixture. This mixture is having a maximum units vapor pressure. That means mixture vapor pressure is higher than both A and B. Now, how its boiling point composition curve will look like? It is exactly reverse. Because this mixture is having maximum in its vapor pressure, it will have a minimum in its boiling point. This is the boiling point of A and this is the boiling point of B. When we mix these two liquids A and B, the mixture will boil at a lower temperature than the individual boiling points of either A or B. So that is the meaning. Here, the maximum vapor pressure is shown for a certain composition at point C, and these solutions boils at a lowest temperature than the individual components A and B. Thus, they have a maximum in the boiling point curve. Yeah, sorry, this is wrong. They have a minimum in the boiling point curve. Maximum in the vapor pressure curve, minimum in the boiling point curve. What are type 3 solutions? Type 3 solutions have a minimum vapor pressure in its vapor pressure composition curve. That means when we mix two components A and B, this is vapor pressure on y-axis, composition on x-axis. This side we represent pure A, this side we represent pure B. Here temperature is constant. For example, if this is the vapor pressure of pure A and this is the vapor pressure of pure B, then what are type 3 solutions? They'll show a minimum in the vapor pressure. So when we mix A and B in a solution, then they will show a minimum in the vapor pressure. A minimum in the vapor pressure. So this is point C. So when we mix A and B liquids, they will show minimum vapor pressure than the individual. See, A and B are having higher vapor pressures than the solution. So for a certain composition at point C, this mixture of A and B is showing a minimum in the vapor pressure. So at point C, what is the minimum in the vapor pressure? Now we will look at boiling point composition curves. As we know, it is exactly reverse, right? So here pressure is constant, boiling point on y-axis, composition on x-axis. This side we represent pure A, this side we represent pure B. See, because these are having low vapor pressure, it will have high boiling point. Because B is having high vapor pressure, it will have low boiling point. Now, when we heat this, it is exactly opposite to this. So the mixture, that means a solution of A and B will boil. The solution of, yeah, the curve must be somewhat like this. Please take the correction. The solution of the mixture of A and B will have a high boiling point, maximum in boiling point. The solution will boil at a very high temperature than both the individual A and B. Here see, A, this is the boiling point of A and this is the boiling point of B. But since the solution is showing minimum in the vapor pressure, it will show maximum in the boiling point. Because it is a vapor pressure composition curve, liquid will be in large quantity, so liquid curve will be upper curve, vapor curve will be lower curve. But when we supply thermal energy, its vapor will increase. So that is why in a boiling point composition graph, vapor curve will be the upper curve, liquid curve is the lower curve. Since the mixture is having a minimum in the vapor pressure, the mixture will boil at a maximum temperature. Since the vapor pressure of the solution is low, the solution boils at a higher temperature, and hence the boiling point composition curve shows a maximum as shown in the figure. Here also the vapor pressure composition curve lie above the liquid. Vapor pressure composition curve, like this curve lie above the liquid composition curve.